I'm sure you've heard the phrase many times, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And so when we look through a theology of separation, where God is over there, we're over here, we're separate from God, that leads to a cosmology of separation where everything is separate. The stuff of the world is separate. And then that cosmology of separation leads to the sociology of separation, where we're separate from each other and we have to compete for that stuff and things in the world. And the sociology of separation leads to the pathology of destruction, where we end up in wars because you believe in a different God than me, because you have things that I want you have, because socially I have to compete with you. And all that ends the moment we let go of the idea of separation and start to not only see things differently, but look at things differently, look through our heart and intuition, and realize, see with our real eyes, that we are all one.